welcome to Phi Phi Island! Today I'm going to take you on the most incredible island tour of Koh Phi Phi in Thailand, where you can find the most amazing crystal clear waters, breathtaking views and vibrant ocean life. If you're looking for the ultimate boat trip, this tour is an absolute must for your Thailand bucket list. Right now we are doing one of the most epic things you can do right here in Thailand. We are doing a 6-hour boat trip around the Paradise Islands. Words cannot describe how excited we are right now. We've done it before and we are doing it again because it is just a bucket list thing you have to do more than once.
Lana Bay!
We've just arrived at our first stop, which is Nuie. Yeah. So we've just arrived at Nuie Bay, which is world famous.
Wow.
And it's so famous, it's actually protected and you can't even swim in the sea off the beach. So, and also you have to pay a fee, I think maybe like 200 baht or something to get onto the beach. So we're actually just going to enjoy it from the ocean because the snorkeling here is absolutely epic. Are you ready to jump in, Adam?
Sure.
Let's go. Send it, Adam.
If by send it you mean gradually get into the water, I shall. Yeah, okay, right, that's quite shallow.
Is it?
Yeah, that's refreshing.
The surroundings of this place are just mind-blowing, honestly. Like, you've got the really tall, I think they're limestone cliffs. Got all the long-tail boats lined up here and people are snorkeling. The sea is like turquoise.
It's not shallow
so nice.
at all.
It's not shallow?
No.
Does that mean I can jump?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Wow, the snorkeling here is just to die for. It's absolutely amazing. The water is so clear, as you can see. The fish are so colourful. You've got all of the fish that you see in Finding Nemo. And also, they get like really close to you. Normally, I find like when we're swimming, you know, just off beaches, wherever, the fish get so scared and they go. But these ones come right up to you and like, I actually poked one. Tried to look for a reef shark, but I couldn't find one, unfortunately. But maybe we'll see one on this trip. Let's see how we go. The sun is shining. Goodbye, Nuie Bay. You have been a pleasure. You can see everyone in the distance there on the actual Nuie Bay. So many people. I'm not sure where our next stop is, but he just said that we're going to a place and I was like, cool, sounds good. And he said it's a good place for photos, so I'm not sure of the name, but I'll let you know when we arrive. Hold on. When the speedboats go past our little boat, they create huge waves and then our boat just goes, oh. It's quite fun actually. Wow! Oh my gosh guys, we have just arrived in Phi Lagoon and the colour of the water is just, it's unbelievable. You just don't realise that this actually exists. It's not just in the movies, it really exists. So this place isn't actually a snorkel spot, it's literally for photos. So we've got loads of people on their boats taking photos, me included. Hopefully we've just got some nice shots there. We're just doing a little turnaround. Nice. But yeah, an absolute epic photo spot right here. Oh, new boat 2024. Nice. Pictures, girls. Get them Instagram pics. Yeah, buddy.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram. Adze, you doing it for the gram?
I'm doing it for the YouTube, so they've got the gram right now.
Also, this is one of those trips where you can easily get sunburned. We just put some sun cream on before we started the trip. Been in the sea and I feel like my skin is already completely washed off, so, and the sun is super strong today, so I need to make sure I keep reapplying the sun cream, otherwise I'm going to be a lobster. Wow, look at that boat. Phi Phi Islands in style. So this right here is called the Viking cave and this is for the birds. That's what our boat driver just said. So I'm imagining there's lots of pretty cool birds in there. Oh wait, I can actually hear the birds. I cool. That is a pretty cool playground. It's getting pretty rocky here, but it's just because there's so many boats and it's creating so many waves, so we're literally being like thrown around everywhere. So if all of the boat trips look the same, then you're going to be doing the longest stint at the beginning, which is from the main island of Phi Phi, where everyone stays, go all the way down to the other island of Phi Phi, where Nuie Bay is, do a couple of bits around there, then you'll come all the way back. It's a good like 45 minutes on the boat to get from the top of one side of Phi Phi to the other. So we did our longest stints now, and then now we're going to be sticking to the main island of Koh Phi Phi and like dotting around there. So, kind of glad the long stints are always over. Welcome to Monkey Beach! Right, so we have just got onto this pristine, white, powdery sand beach. The water right ahead of me is the most bluest water, if that's even a word, I've ever seen. Well, I did see it last time, but I just keep thinking, it just keeps blowing my mind, honestly. I sound like a broken record, but I just can't help but rave about this place so much. And yeah, everyone's getting the shots, so I'm trying not to get in people's way for their photos. When we last came here, we were blown away by the beach, but we were disappointed because we didn't see any monkeys on Monkey Beach. However, this time I can already see there's a couple of monkeys, and they are absolutely adorable. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I wouldn't put your finger there. Oh, I wouldn't do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why do I feel scared?
There's only two of them.
That one's so cute, it's like a little baby.
Yeah, this one's taunting me as well.
Yeah, you should be careful. Adam, it's monkeys on Monkey Beach.
Yeah? What? It's like redemption for last time.
I know, I was literally just saying. Lady's getting too close to the monkeys, they've just jumped on her head and they've started to like bite her hair. She did not like that, but I mean, don't get too close, just leave them be. Did you see that?
Did you see me?
No?
I almost got attacked.
Did you?
Yeah, insert clip here.
So we've just taken a couple of Instagram pictures and now we are back looking at these cutie pie little monkeys. They honestly break my heart when they just sit there on their own, kind of like just watching the world go by, playing with the leaves, playing with the sand with their little hands. So cute. I wish I could trust them more, and I wish they didn't bite. I know it's humans' fault because they get like too close and maybe the monkeys get scared, but I wish they didn't have a reputation of doing that, because I'd love to just cuddle one and like take one home because they're just so cute.
You take me home.
This sand is so powdery soft. Wow. It's actually damp. This sand is damp and it's still that soft. Beautiful. There's a group of monkeys that just tried to hijack someone's kayak. It was so funny. Everyone just screamed and ran into the sea. And they were like actually trying to take the oar for the kayak. It was hilarious. I think we've worked up an appetite, so it's time to go and get some lunch. Alright, so we have just been dropped off at Tonsai Pier, which is the main pier here in Koh Phi Phi, to go and find something to eat. It's 12 o'clock now, and we're going to go back to the boat at 1:30, so we've got a good hour and a half, and then I'm excited for the next destination. So our restaurant of choice for lunch is Pistachio, which is right on the beachfront or the pier front. So it's literally right next to the pier basically. And I've gone for a Coca-Cola. Sometimes you just need a Coca-Cola because it sorts you out. We've done a lot of swimming, been in the sun, feeling a bit get the sugar levels up, you know. And we've just ordered the most amazing food. I'm so excited because I'm hungry. you hungry?
So hungry. Bring it on. Oh,
Bring
it's
it
already
on.
here.
What? Oh yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that salad, guys. Got an Israeli salad. That's what it's called, right?
That's right.
Israeli salad. Got cucumber, tomato, and onion, I think.
And a shed load. I was going to swear.
A lot.
A lot of lemon.
Fresh salad when the sun is shining. Oh my god.
Is it good?
The rest of the food has arrived and it looks delicious. This is a super pillowy, fluffy pita bread. Oh, look at this. It's really, really hot. It's so soft. Alright, let's dip it in that hummus. I'm literally shaking where I'm so hungry. I can't. This is so good. Oh my god. How did you know that I wanted this today? I didn't know I wanted this, but I wanted this today.
I wasn't even sure I wanted it, but
Oh my god.
it's here, right here.
We've
So it's like, why not?
We've had a lot of Thai food recently, and it's safe to say, as much as we love it, we're a little bit like, kind of over it for now, and really fancy some Mediterranean, Western kind of food. So this is hitting the spot right now. Yum.
You're going to save me some?
No. Food was absolutely spot on, exactly what we fancied actually. And we've got a little bit of time to spare before we need to head back to the boat for 1:30. So it's going to take a little stroll through the famous Tonsai Pier, where everybody gets on and off their boats to come to Phi Phi Island. And let me tell you something, it can be so chaotic here. They've got a coffee club, which is amazing for tea and coffee, as the name says. But they do a really good Thai tea in there, so if you want a good Thai tea, go to the coffee club. McDonald's, Burger King, 7-Eleven. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome.
Yes, it said it. We've got our boat driver a little gift.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Samaun!
Samaun!
Best driver!
Alright, beer for the ocean. Let's go! Okay, so we have just arrived at Nuie Beach, which is honestly mine and Adam's absolute top #1 beach in the world that we've ever been to. So beautiful, and we're just getting the ladder ready. The water looks beautiful as always, really clear. It always looks like more shallow than what it is from when you're on the boat, so I'm like, can I jump in from here? But actually it's pretty deep, so that's good.
It's salty.
How nice
That's
is
a
that?
surprise.
The water here is amazing. Wow, it's so clear. You can see all the fish, all the corals. It's just so nice swimming along with them. Wow. I've got a nice snorkel mark imprinted on my face. Oh, that snorkel was absolutely beautiful. I just can't get over the amount of different kinds of fish. No sharks, unfortunately, just loads and loads of different kind of fish. My favourite, I think, have got to be the rainbow fish. They're literally multicoloured and they're just beautiful. They're just so nice. They're so pretty to look at. But the captain's just put his engine on and we are heading to our next stop, which is Lana Bay. So there's Nuie Beach over there. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go there. He said that the tide was too low and he wasn't able to park up, which is fine. We just got a different perspective of it this time because we were able to actually snorkel where it was really deep, whereas last time we were kind of snorkeling just kind of near the beach and enjoying the beach itself. But still to this day, it's got to be probably one of my favourite beaches. It's just absolutely stunning. There's the Camel Rock. So we have just pulled up to Lana Bay. And it's like more of a golden sand beach. However, this is more like a snorkel stop again. So There's only quite a lot of people here. There's loads of tourists screaming over there. I'm not really sure what they're screaming about, but hey ho. Are we gonna go check out this this part of the sea, Adam?
Yes.
Alrighty. Looks lovely as always.
What an incredible way to spend a Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know, whatever day it is.
So incredible. Oh, I just love being in the water so much. I feel like a fish.
You sound like one too.
And we are off. And we're actually on our way back to our resort, Phi Phi Parks. What an incredible day. Loved it so much. That was a really good snorkel spot as well. If you're doing this trip, highly recommend coming here to snorkel. The water's really lovely. It's quite deep as well, and you've got lots of beautiful coral here. So highly recommend coming to Lana Bay. Literally 2 minutes after we have arrived back to our pier, just there where it all began. Although it looks like it's actually not going up to it, so maybe we're going down to the front of the resort. That means we get longer on the boat. And we have made it straight back to the front door. That was 6 hours of pure paradise. Samaun, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kun Kap.
Kun Kap.
Kun Kap.
Everyone, come and see Samaun for your boat trip. It's amazing.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
See you again next time.
See you next time. I mean, it's not quite to the front door, but I wouldn't have it any other way. The tide really goes out here in the afternoon, so you can literally walk out quite far and it's up to your ankles. So yeah, we're walking through the ocean to get back. Love it. Look how far away Adam is. Alright, so seeing as I didn't include the swimming pool of the resort in my previous vlog, I've got water in my ear. I thought I'd include it now. It's very nice. Really good temperature. A lovely swim after an epic boat trip. Oh, okay, bye. So I think you guys have seen enough of me and Adam swimming around today, so I'm gonna leave this video here and we're just gonna enjoy the pool for a bit and see the evening off with a beautiful dinner here on the beach. And as always guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and had a lot of fun with us, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.